Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're doing a basketball trivia shootout. So here's how it works. Everybody here starts with 10 points. All these wonderful victims, including myself unfortunately. I don't know why I get myself into this. So here's how this is going to work. Everybody here is going to take a shot. If they miss the shot, they're going to have to answer a trivia question. If they get the trivia question wrong, they lose a point because they missed the shot and the trivia question. If they make the shot, get the question wrong, the shot cancels out the question. Question right, shot missed, the question cancels out the shot. Really complicated, you get it along the way. We've already done rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and it took forever, but we did. And the first volunteer for dying is this man here in bed. Sterling, come here. Alright, so Sterling's our first victim of the day. So he's gonna take a shot from this corner. Yes. If he misses, and he gets the question wrong, he will lose a point. If he gets one of them right, he doesn't. If he gets them both right, he's still safe. So, there's only 1 in 4 chances that he gets this right. Don't screw this up. Alright, we're gonna get the ball, we're gonna get ready to shoot. You guys are ready? Alright, let's go, man. In the corner.
Let's see it.
Quarter. Nope. The shot's not right. Alright, he missed the shot, so if he gets the trivia question wrong, he loses a point. And he will then become the all-time loser at this moment. But then someone else may miss. Alright, what's the question?
Alright, true or false? An elephant's tusks are as large as its teeth.
False.
That is true.
Dude, it's Alright, he loses a point. He is now down to 9 points. Our next willing volunteer, Evan. Evan. This way. Alright, so Evan here is going to shoot. Whether he can make it or not. Let's see. Oh! Nope. Alright, he missed it, so now he's going to answer the trivia question. This way. I know your sense of direction is terrible, but you've got to follow pointy fingers. Alright, what's the question?
Alright, there is a unique mammal that always gives birth to quadruplets. 4 identical twins. Which of the following is it? A 9-banded armadillo, a 2-toed sloth, or a giant anteater?
Say it again.
Yes.
Whoa! He doesn't lose a point. Alright, next willing volunteer. Here we go! Alright, give him the ball. Oh no, you gotta shoot first. Alright.
I'll pass it to you like this, ready? You can come a bit closer right there. I know, right?
Alright, are you recording? Ready? Alright. Can't tell. Alright, let's see it. Alright. Alright, next question. You gotta answer the question, otherwise you lose a point and you're on the same level as Sterling. Alright, what's this question?
Alright. Your animal trivia question is: all the following examples are invertebrates except A, jellyfish, B, gardener snake, and C, earthworm.
It's, can you give me that again?
All of the following animals are invertebrates except A, jellyfish, B, gardener snake, and C, an earthworm.
Gardener snake.
Yes.
Easy. Alright, I'm up. And the mosquitoes are killing me.
I'm not even going anywhere. You guys are moving around.
I know we're moving, you were just getting eaten alive. Alright, let's go. Boys ready for this?
I feel like you're a lot closer than I was.
Yeah, you're a lot closer than I was.
Back it up, Terry.
It was right there. Shoot right.
Nope. Wow.
Aren't you the host?
I am. It doesn't mean I can shoot. Alright, I missed. What's the question?
They had the worst shot.
I know, right? Alright, what's the trivia question?
Alright, your trivia question is: true or false? An elephant's tusks are hollow and light in weight.
False.
Correct.
Yeah, let's go. They're not hollow, and I know this because I watched the documentary. Anyway, not the point. Alright, next. Sterling, get your butt over here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Going with.
Alright. You may want to pull forward for this one.
Me?
Oh, actually, no. Hold on. Never mind. We're on.
Strike, choose one, shoot.
I'll take this shot right here. Got you. Alright, then we'll all shoot together. Alright. Can you see him?
And part of him.
Alright. That's it. Yeah. Nope. Alright, let's go. Next question. Alright, what is this unfortunate soul's next question? Unfortunate soul.
What is the meaning of life?
Unfortunate soul.
Death.
That doesn't make sense.
A rhinoceros horn is made of A, bone, B, thick hardened skin, or C, stuck together hair.
No pressure.
I can repeat the question if you'd like.
I'm gonna go with bone.
It is C, stuck together hair.
Really? I
Wow.
didn't know that.
I thought that was like the most obvious one that would be wrong.
I thought it was B, but okay.
I thought it was either A or B.
Thank goodness it was your question. All right, he's got 8 points. Like the shot ain't what the ball. Who did this?
Evan.
Evan, you're shooting up next, so keep the ball.
It wasn't me actually. It was Rico.
All right, get back here. No, Evan, you're shooting.
Yeah, Evan.
Get the ball. Get over there.
Right here.
You're shooting from the second post. All right. Next shot.
Stand beside the circle. In the ground.
All right. Evan, come here for
No
your
one's made
question.
a shot yet,
Hold up.
except for me for the first time. But then they lost.
All right.
by 5.
What's
No,
this
I
poor
made it 100
soul's
too, and then they lost.
next question? I'm gonna call you all poor souls.
Poor souls, you're the one who missed
Only
that.
one of the plants to capture and eat live prey is called A, a violet, B, a
Whoa.
Venus
Repeat the question.
Only one of the plants to capture and eat live prey is called A, a violet, B, Venus flytrap, or C, a cormorant.
B.
Correct.
Oh, I was hoping you got that wrong.
That's too
Alright.
easy. We had another
You're
question.
wrong?
Nah, we'll get him on the next one. No, he got it right. So, Sterling's got 8, Evan's got 9, I've got 10, Rico's got 9. Oh, that's right, 9. He made. Okay.
Wait, how did I get 9? No, I got it right. I got all
10, 10, 10, 8. Your next
play.
Next question. Alright, what's this poor unfortunate soul's next question? By the way, he's from Vertical Church. We got a thing, say I'm proud, thank you.
He owes me for that advertisement. Alright.
Right out
After
of
mating,
checks,
a female praying mantis, A, may eat her male partner, B, shed her skin, or C, turns from green to brown.
Shed her skin.
No, it's A, she may eat her male partner.
I knew this one.
I wish I had that.
Ball. Alright, I'm up. Let's see if I can make this.
Cash.
You are so
Cash.
trash.
Never miss.
Alright, this unfortunate soul's question.
Hey. No, it's empty. Alright, what's the question for this poor unfortunate soul? Being me.
Which of the following animals cannot be found in Australia? A, an emu, B, a dingo, or C, an armadillo?
Okay, which of the animals cannot be found in
Found in
Australia?
Australia.
Say the 3 options.
A, an emu, B, a dingo, or C, an armadillo?
A.
A, an emu?
Yes,
Not in Australia.
not in Australia.
No, that's correct.
Which one is it?
Armadillo.
What?
Emus are all over Australia.
What?
Mike!
Are you in Australia?
He thought an emu
I thought it
was not from
It's the
Australia.
bird. It's like the big bird that looks like an ostrich.
And those are native to Australia.
Oh.
Armadillos are not.
Well, I did not do it. All right, I've got 9. Sterling's got 8. Rico's got 9. Evan's got 10. Sterling, you're up next. If you could shoot in this area, so that way we can get wonderful film of your misses, that would be wonderful. Because we can't move the camera.
We can move it. It's not worth it.
I suck. All right. You can switch. All right. What's
No,
this
we'll
poor
move the
unfortunate soul's
camera.
question?
We'll just need to right now.
All right. That's okay.
Your question is.
Too easy.
No, that was the same one you
Oh.
used. The largest shark in the world is the A, whale shark, B, great white shark, or C, the basking shark.
Whale.
Correct. Whale shark.
Oh,
Matt knows his stuff.
he does. All right. Sterling, ball.
Evan, back.
Evan. Right here.
No, I get to choose because you
No.
missed.
Yeah, that's right. All right. Cheers. But you got to stay out of the down the 3-1.
Really?
Yep.
That's not happening. I'm gonna go a little
We
bit.
got to make sure Rico loses.
He can make 3.
I'm being totally biased
Can't.
right now because I'm from Grace on the Ash.
Can't wait. That's way.
All right, Evan.
You should like it.
Go get your question.
Made a shot for once. I don't think anyone's made a shot.
Alright, your question is, a bullfrog can jump the length of A, 2 feet, B, 4 feet, or C, 6 feet?
Okay.
Or is C, 6 feet, not 2 feet?
Get it right? Alright. Rico, you're up.
Give it to me. Give it to me. I'm ready.
You get to shoot from any of the spots. Let's go. Alright, let's see.
First question.
What is the
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Your question. True or false? Baby gorillas have white tough tails to help their mothers keep an eye on them.
False.
It's true.
Stupid. Here's that.
questions are biased? I don't know, but these questions are biased towards you.
It's just like a write-off of
Alright.
a poem made up of a party.
You're gonna shoot this. Alright, boys, you ready for this?
That's what one of my questions were.
Dang it!
Alright, you and your poor unfortunate soul.
Poor unfortunate soul. We're getting totally copyrighted. We're getting
Your
copyrighted.
redeeming question. Chimpanzees discourage attacks from others by A. Swinging from trees, B. Screaming and throwing things, or C. Living together in large groups.
Chimpanzees.
Discourage attacks from others by A. Swinging from trees, or B. Screaming and throwing things, or C. Living together in large groups.
We made it!
C.
It is B.
Dang it! Oh, what do chimpanzees discourage attacks?
I was gonna like gold thing at
Alright, that's 8 for me. Sterling, how many did you get?
I have 8 still. I got the last 8.
And Evan has 9. Alright, 8, 9. Ev, Sterling, you're up. Alright.
I think I got this.
The guy behind you has to shoot.
Both of the guys are going to get this so slow.
Okay, we're gonna make the shot.
You can do it.
5 points. Yeah, everybody 5 points. Okay, 5 points, so that means we got 3, 3, 3, and 4.
Right, it's bad here.
3, 3, and 4.
Ready?
3, 3, 3.
What do I have?
Go.
Yeah, I have 4.
Oh no.
Alright. We're getting so close to screwing this up. Alright, what's his question?
Alright, good sir. Your question is, which bird has the greatest recorded wingspan at 11.9 feet? A. The wandering albatross. B. The great horned owl. Or C. The ostrich.
The owl.
No, it is A. The wandering albatross.
See, I knew this, but I knew this from,
Another documentary?
no, not documentary.
Yeah, you're
Disney
cheating with the documentaries.
No, Disney movie. Rescuers Down Under. There you go. Classic Disney. Evan, you're up.
He thinks Disney is a savior. It's real.
3, 3, and you gotta shoot now. Can you see anything?
Oh no, he is in blank view.
Hey, what
You're in
you?
blank view.
There, he is good.
Oh, you're good. Oh, no. That's travel. This man loses points.
camera go off the camera.
He made one of the 3 legs now.
You know how big they say.
Yes. Yeah, you poor unfortunate soul.
The camera. Alright, then go get your
Alright, you poor unfortunate soul, stop there. Fleas eat A. Mites, B. Blood from other animals, or C. Scraps of food left by large animals.
C.
Correct.
Made it? Alright, 3, 3.
Did you get it right?
4 and 2. Rico, you're up.
I know my biology, my chemistry, boy.
Something's wrong with my thing.
And my physical science.
Alright.
He made it! He guaranteed to.
I'll say, you can't screw this
First
up.
shot
Do
that
I still get a
You
question?
should ask the question.
Yes.
If you get it wrong, you don't have to give us a point.
Okay.
Alright, then, poor unfortunate soul. Your question is true or false?
False.
All monkeys have prehensile tails that grasp and wrap around objects.
False.
Correct.
I knew it. I already knew it.
That should gain him 1 extra point.
2 for 2, baby.
I like that idea.
All right, who's going to be an extra point for getting both right?
Yeah, there we go.
What?
Sterling's got 2. Evan's got 4. I have 3. I have 3. Evan has 4.
Oh, no.
Look at these monkeys.
You're a ball.
I'm not even
You
close.
too.
Thank you, sir. Make it.
Take it.
Make it. Take it. Make it.
Make it, don't break it, don't break a leg, don't either ear.
Dang.
Your question, your poor unfortunate soul,
Or unfortunate. We're doing
is
Disney
which
Channel.
of the following reptiles can move one eye while keeping the other eye still? A.
Chameleon.
Chameleon, yes.
I know them by heart. Because I work with them on a daily basis. Thank you.
No
work.
free advertisement! Alright, continuing, it is now Sterling Sin. Some commentary for these poor fools.
Really hope. Alright, let's see it. Tired.
Yes.
I'm ready to lose.
Oh, here's your question. A zebra's stripes help it to A. Confuse predators. B. Distinguish males from females. Or C. To keep cool.
Male,
To distinguish
A.
males from females. That was the
Hey, I'm over for A.
To confuse predators?
Yes.
That is correct.
Yeah, baby!
Good job. Alright. Evan, question.
Alright, Evan, you're up.
Yes. No fancy layups. No. Nope, 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 nope.
He said no fancy.
Well, actually, hold up.
No. Do that again.
Replay. I demand a replay.
We'll see.
Run it back, Turbo.
That's a you.
Alright.
Elementary, dear Watson. Elementary.
I just jaywalked under the net.
Yep.
You gotta do the layups this time, man.
Do a layup?
No, you can take it. Oh, okay. So everybody gets to make sure that. No more layups, by the way. That's cheating.
take layup.
No layups because this man traveled.
Oh, he made that
Give
shot.
me a question. Give it to me. Hit me.
Alright.
Don't cross the line. You're too close.
Wasps' nests are made of A. Sticks and twigs. B. Blades of grass. Or C. Chewed up wood.
Shoot up wood.
Correct.
I would not have known that.
Oh my gosh.
I would actually have. That's my favorite random fact about one.
Your question, B. Maybe. True or false? A tarantula can eat a frog.
True.
Correct.
All right, last shot, boys.
I thought I was.
Best of luck, chat.
I played the 6 ball way. See, I'm always hitting that.
I finally
Go.
made the shot.
Alright, well, your question is malaria, a disease that causes chills and fever, can be spread by A. Flies, B. Worms, or C. Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes.
Correct.
Yeah! Dang it, he gets a point.
I'm back in this game, baby.
That's off.
That was the easiest question I've had yet. Except for the first one we lost though.
Evan, you gotta ask a question. Go.
Alright, your question is true or false? Baby penguins can't swim until they grow their waterproof feathers.
True.
Correct.
Dang it, I'm screwed. All right, so you're up.
Great job. Great jump on that. Praise it, darling.
Imagine you miss.
Oh, please get this question wrong. Please get this wrong.
He still has more points than you.
No, but then I'll get 2-2. And if I can make the next shot, you don't lose a point.
I'm losing 2 points. If I can
No,
make
no.
If
You
you
lose one if you get this wrong.
Then I'll have 3.
No, then you-
Alright, your question is, in order not to be eaten by an aggressor, a beetle will lay. A dead, B. Shrink into its shell. Or C. Give off an unpleasant odor.
Say that again.
In order not to be eaten by an aggressor, A. Beetle A. Play dead. B. Shrink into its shell. Or C. Give off an unpleasant odor.
Unpleasant odor.
No, it is B. Shrink into its shell.
Dang, well that's not easy.
That's 3.
Give me ball.
Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit.
Right from that. You know this? Not yet. Alright, what's the...
Right. Yeah. I got the point on that. Alright, your question is... Sea otters keep warm with A. An extremely heavy water fur. B. Insulating layer of blubber. Or C. Thick skin that does not let cold penetrate.
You don't have to jump.
What's A?
An extremely heavy water fur.
It's A.
That's correct.
Okay.
Is your answer. Would you like another one?
3. Alright.
Would you like an extra question?
No, he got out.
No. We got the bonus round. This is gonna decide whether I'm jumping the pool.
Why do you get a bonus?
No, there's a bonus round at the end.
This is redemption round. The rules are.
Wait till
That's a...
The rules are is you can blurt out the answer as soon as you want, but if you get it wrong, you can't answer. Or watch, you spoil it.
Okay. All right, go.
A skunk releases its smell from A. Under its tail, B. Its mouth, or C.
A.
Its entire body.
I was gonna say.
I
got it first.
Yeah, he
I
gets
was
it first.
waiting for it to be done with the
Go.
question.
Well,
that's
let's blurt it
4,
out.
3, and 2.
Okay, that's.
I cannot jump in this
You wanna do
water.
another answer?
There you go. Give it to me.
A very young baby scorpion travels A in pairs, B backwards, or C on their
B.
mother's back.
B. C.
And C.
Hey!
But you know, you cannot
I'm
just
still
blurt
being
out
on
all
my C.
3 of them.
I can't.
No, I did.
I'm not
I
doing.
tried to C.
I can't do this, guys. I'm sorry. Like, Lily, you gotta finish the question and then we gotta guess.
Alright, hold up.
You can allow one
Rico
more.
here is safe. Rico
Everybody
here is
gets to
safe.
take a turn at a time.
What?
No.
Yes.
Answering a
No,
question.
no. Rico's safe.
And if you
All of us
fail,
have 3.
alright, you can take it first. You get to answer the question. If you fail, the next person gets it.
Alright.
Third shot.
We each have 3. Whoever screws this question
True
up loses the
or
point.
false? Vultures have very small appetites.
False. False.
Correct.
He gets the point. Alright, you're safe.
You're dead, bro. You're out. That's 2 questions.
I know, but then we're all 3 tied. We're all 3 tied.
Alright.
I have 3 now because I got the last question. Sterling, you're
Why you
winning.
get 2 points?
No, I got 1 point. I had 2
Are you
in
ready for the next question?
Yeah. Alright.
Animals that are hunted and eaten by other mammals are called A. Prey.
Hey.
Right.
I said A. He said
Correct.
What kind of question is that?
It's A.
That's 4.
Dang, I said pray instead of A.
Which means
Well, A. Prey would have been the correct answer as well, though.
that's true.
So
But
A or it would have been either. So whoever said it first would have gotten it.
we gotta look at the recording. Dump.
I feel like I
Let's do
blurted
another question.
pray.
All right, this is true or false. Flamingos live in cool climates.
False.
That's correct.
Alright, man. I'm sorry, but you are the official all-time loser. I'm gonna throw you in the pool now.
Oh wait.
Hold up. We're bringing on.
Thumbs up.
Alright, boys and girls. Our all-time loser is gonna jump in. This water's about 68 degrees or so not warm anymore. That's okay though. This man has volunteered to jump in. Thank goodness.
Volunteers.
Volunteers.
Voluntold.
Voluntold, yeah, something like that. Alright, guys. Countdown. Can I hear it from the back?
18, 17, 16,
Go.
15,
2.
1.
Oh God. That was hot. Move in. No. All right.
Now who's the last man standing on the outside of the pool?
Yeah, pretty much. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to watch more content like this and this poor man jumping into a pool, hit the subscribe button because this is a lot of fun. Until next time, peace.